Good morning, family. We're going to read Psalm 15 today, so apologies for the little intro here. But as I was reading this, it just dawned on me that I could never fulfill this or do this, and I don't think any person can do it. And when I read it, it was like the Lord said to me, "This is what Jesus did for us, and this is what He's given us as a gift. And then how do we treasure or treat this gift that He's done for us?" So just listen or read it yourself, I think. So Psalm 15. Lord, who may abide or sojourn in your tabernacle? Who may dwell in your holy hill? Then he answers, He who walks uprightly and works righteousness and speaks the truth in his heart. He who does not backbite with his tongue, nor does evil to his neighbor, nor does he take up a reproach against his friend, in whose eyes a vile person is despised, but he honors those who fear the Lord. He who swears to his own hurt, in other words, keeps his promises, even if it costs him or hurts him, and does not change, so he doesn't go back on his word. He who does not put out his money at usury, nor does he take a bribe against the innocent. He who does these things shall never be moved. So thank you, Jesus.